Does the thought of massive research teams and hefty budgets feel a bit too much? Well, you're in for a treat. This video is all about using ChatGPT to conduct user interviews and craft detailed personas, all while keeping your wallet happy. And think about this, if you start doing this for clients, imagine how your value skyrockets in their eyes. Handling what normally takes a whole team all by yourself, that's not just impressive, it's a game changer. It could turn a one-time project into a repeat customer scenario, giving you a solid competitive edge. Picture this, a small business gaining deep insights into their customers' needs, just like the big players. User interviews are super helpful. They let you dig into what users really want and need. And that's gold for UX design. It means you can tailor your designs to real-world use, not just guesses. And guess what? ChatGPT is about to become your new best friend in this process. So many designers know it's tough to really get what their users are after. Back in the day, deep interviews were something only big brands could afford. But now, anyone can tap into ChatGPT for this. The trick is knowing the right questions to ask and the right way to ask them. First things first, let's talk about creating personas. These are basically fictional characters that represent your audience segments. You'll want to come up with interview questions that reveal not just the obvious stuff, but the deeper needs of your users. A great resource for getting into the nitty-gritty of UX research is Leah Bewley's book, The User Experience Team of One. It's packed with insights for solo researchers or small teams looking to make a big impact. Here's how you can use ChatGPT to get the job done in 5 steps. Step 1, creating personas. Identify different user types for your product. Sketch out detailed profiles for each persona, covering things like demographics, buying behaviors, preferences, and motivations. A ChatGPT can help you build out these personas with more depth. You can pause to read what's on the screen. I will duplicate all the prompts with text in the description of the video. Step 2, crafting questions. Put together a starting set of questions for your interviews. These should uncover both surface level and deeper user needs. ChatGPT can assist in refining and expanding your question list. Step 3, simulating interviews. Run mock interviews using ChatGPT and acting as your persona. This is a fantastic way to predict actual user responses and gather insights. It's crucial to dig beyond initial answers to truly understand your users' deeper motives and needs. Step 4, analyzing and drawing conclusions. After your interviews, analyze the feedback to draw conclusions and make recommendations for enhancing your product or service. It's all about spotting those key user needs and wants. Using this approach not only deepens your understanding of your users, but also elevates the overall user experience of your products. Will it completely replace real interviews? No, but it's an excellent way to simulate them. Think of it as leveraging the Pareto principle. These steps are the 20% of effort that will give you 80% of the results. The remaining 20% from actual interviews and research involve more resources and time. Plus, the insights from these interviews can greatly enrich or even transform your project specs. It might seem restrictive at first, but working within certain limits can actually spark creative breakthroughs. We'll dive more into that in our video on handling client challenges, so stay tuned.